Hello! In this video I have the Ellipal X Card Duo and I'm gonna do a simple unboxing with you. Okay, so this is the Ellipal X Card Duo. You can see the box is quite simple. As you know, Ellipal, they'll also have the Titan 2.0 device, which from my experience is like the coldest wallet ever, because it doesn't even have Bluetooth nor NFC or whatever. Here it's gonna be a little bit different because it doesn't scan QR codes. It's a card, so let's unbox it. Let's get the knife and get that foil off. Okay. Okay, now let's get this out of the box. Am I doing it correctly? I think so. Yeah, it's not too easy to get this thing out. And I don't want to break it. This box is quite pretty. Maybe I'm supposed to pull it a bit harder. Yeah, because, oh, that case is interesting. You saw how it went out. I'll try to do it again. Okay, it makes sense. Now let's get the card. You can see there are two cards. The first one and the second one, right? Because it's the Duo version. Now it requires the X Card starter device for setup, so like I have it in a different box. You can see this is the X Card starter, and I'll probably like do it later, and there will be videos on the channel like there are for the Ellipal Titan and stuff like that. You can see this is a card. It's with a chip like a bank card. It also has some number on the back and looks quite sleek. Not too many information, not too much information, which is great. Now the second card, which is exactly the same with a different number on the back. And this is about it for the unboxing. I highly recommend watching other videos if you're interested in this device, like for example the setup or stuff like that, to see how the device works, because for sure I will record them. And I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well, and see you in the next one.